Hello everyone, my name is Danny Norado. You are in Cuestion de Tiempo, which means a matter of time. Today I'm gonna bring you guys an unboxing of a bracelet that I have been looking for my Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra. I got this Aqua Terra for my wife a couple years ago. This is the latest version, and of course after looking at this I said, man, the Flat Link bracelet really looks good, but I didn't want to pay $1,000 for the bracelet, so I started doing some researching and I found a brand name that has a lot of history, not just with Omega but with many other brand names from back in the day. These are the end links for the Omega Seamaster pre-2018. Pre-2018 means all the ones that look like this guy and they fit the same case as the modern Aqua Terra. So whatever fits on this guy fits on this guy. You get a new set of end links and they look to be a good quality ones, thick ones. I like that. You also get a tiny screwdriver for resizing your bracelet. This speaks volumes of taking care of your customer. You know, it gives you all the tools so you can get going. And here it is, the contemporary Flat Link bracelet. Let's see how close it is and why I decided to go with Forstner instead of buying an OEM bracelet. So the OEM bracelet has the center link polish and the sides brush. Although it looks great, to me my main worry here is that these guys are going to be a scratch magnet. This is, my wife wears this watch not often and I can see already some scratches here and there. So this guy has the opposite finish. It is brush in the center and polish in the sides. The clasp works with double pusher, and also it has 6 options for micro adjustments. Now, this being a very good product, of course, I can feel it in the touch. It feels refined. I have had plenty of other aftermarket bracelets, and guys, I'm telling you, this one feels, yeah, this is where you want to be. I'm gonna mount the bracelet on my Aqua Terra and then we can see how it looks like. I'll be right back. And look at this beauty, guys. It tapers from 20 to 16. It's got softness. It's well finished. I like a lot that the centerpiece is brushed, so it will not get too many scratches on. And these guys here on the side are polished, and that is great because when you look at it from the side, the case has a little bit of polishing, so then it continues onto the bracelet. Great, like look at that reflection there. You can see the different finishes on. It feels soft on the side, soft underneath, so it's not going to hurt your skin. Let me just make a quick comparison here to my wife's Aqua Terra. You can see the contrast and in the pieces. I'd say it looks pretty spot on. All right, let me try it on. I haven't resized. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Today I have my new Coney. This is a new guy that just came to the collection. And okay, let's try this guy on. Again, I haven't resized it, it's just for you guys to see and take a quick look and see how it looks. And yeah, it gives that extra punch that I was looking for. My wrist is 7 inches, guys. I think this is good for, wow, maybe 8.5 inches. Okay, so what do I have on the second box? Okay, you might guys may be asking. Well, it's the O bracelet. Look at that. You know, guys, the difference in quality in products is made in the small details. These guys packed the end links in separate bags so they don't scratch each other on the trip to your home. That is attention to detail. This is what makes things apart. Again, you get a new set of springboards, end links, and the O bracelet. Another screwdriver, so now I have 2. Thank you very much. I will not say no to that. And let's peel this guy. This is all brush. This is more of a tool look. Let me put it on the Aqua Terra and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the O bracelet on the Aqua Terra. It gives a super cool sporty look. Because it's all brush, it tones it down to a more utilitarian, more day wear double pusher. And again, 6 micro adjusting options for a quick, easy to do. Look at that. I'm gonna take some pictures, leave you guys with some shots. And again, coming up soon, how can I turn those 2 bracelets into 4 bracelets? All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye bye.